Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick video on winding a bobbin with your bobbin winder. Alright, set your thread down on the side. You got a little hoop up there, just put that through it. And then we're going to go to the bottom over here. You're going to put this through this top hole. Make sure you go behind this front disc. Go around. You have another hole over here on this side. You're going to go through that hole. You're going to bring it out. This is where your bobbin's going to go on it. This is bobbin. You got plastic ones. You have metal ones. You need the size L. What I do is I put it through here and then just bring it through the middle. That way I know it ain't gonna come out. Alright, once you got that done, bring it over here to this one. Put it up on that. Alright, your bobbin goes on here. All you gotta do, flip the switch to on, push the button. When it gets done, it's gonna shut off. You're done. Turn it off. Cut that off of there. I take this back out of the middle. Snip it off. Here's your bobbin. The other way you can do it is when you start it, just wind it a couple of times and then put it on there. I do it this way because I know it'll stay. Have a great day.